Before we get into a sort of recap on Goldfields, just a few charts I wanted to share on the sort of macro gold picture and where equities, gold equities like ourselves sit within that picture. So the top right chart shows how the physical gold price is shown by an ETF it tracks against the junior gold miners. And for the most part, from 2015 onwards, we've seen juniors sort of follow the gold price quite well. And more recently, the juniors trading down relative to the gold price and at a significant discount. And that trend, really feel that is unsustainable. Juniors can't keep trading down or at such a big discount to the gold price, and sooner or later those are going to re-rate. The bigger funds, they've been buying into more physical gold and ETFs, and there hasn't been much trickle down into the gold miners or juniors yet. We've seen to some extent the gold miners start to move up in this environment, but it's yet to affect the juniors, and Fortune Bay is amongst those with a significantly attractive valuation. So we feel there's a good opportunity for re-rating in the coming months with some strong tailwinds for the gold price, backed by the macro picture of geopolitical risk, market slowdowns, interest rates being paused or certainly peaking, and obviously risks to valuations in the equity markets, as well as central bank buying. We look at the chart on the bottom right, that just shows the declining rate of discovery on a global basis for gold. The black line shows the global exploration budgets, and those have remained quite strong. But despite that, we've seen very little in the way of meaningful large discoveries to replenish the reserves that are being mined out on a global basis. What that's going to do in the longer term is going to force a lot of gold miners to look for projects, and they're going to look most certainly in favorable lower risk jurisdictions like Canada for assets that can be developed. And we certainly have a favorable asset in that regard. Goldfields sitting in Saskatchewan, and with a lot of attributes that would attract larger companies, including the infrastructure, the fact that it's been environmentally screened before, and just the various development attributes which I'll touch on.